Now, Cavalier stay atop the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League standings came to an end as they've now been replaced by Mount Pleasant. Cavalier dropped points against Humble Lion, while Mount Pleasant beat Waterhouse 1-0 in the latest action.
Mount Pleasant started the weekend in second spot, but with leaders Cavalier playing a day later, the St. Ann base team took the advantage to say, "Catch me if you can." World and Olympic champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price was in the house to watch the home team Waterhouse, but she wouldn't have been happy with how the goal was being peppered by the visitors. They say pressure burst the pipe, and it was only a matter of time before the league started. Kimoni Bailey with a 78th minute beauty, which settled the tie as Mount Pleasant grabbed the victory and the points.
It coming my way, I know that I was going to lock in and kick this ball to the goal, so it doesn't matter how it want to come, I just know that I'm going to lock in and kick this ball.
Cavalier, who played 24 hours later, had to come from behind to salvage a point against strugglers Humble Lion, a draw which left them 2 points behind Mount Pleasant. Andre Clennon put Humble Lion 1-0 ahead in the 56th minute before Jalmara Calvin, with his 10th goal of the season, gave Cavalier a 79th minute equaliser.
The only reason why we didn't win the game because we thought we were harshly dealt with the calls.
Dunbeholden have replaced Waterhouse in the top 6 after beating Harbourview 3-0 on the night of their 50th anniversary. Dwight Merrick gave Dunbeholden a 34th minute lead. It was 2-0 when Carlington Blackwood put the game out of Harbourview's reach with 18 minutes to go. And when goalkeeper Glenroy Samuels lost his head and time added on, Roger Smith made him pay as Dunbeholden moved 3 points clear of Waterhouse.
We don't want it to be a pressure situation on the players, telling them they may have to do this and have to do that. We just want to do work, train day in, day out, be disciplined in training, turn up for training, and we'll get good results. At the other end of the table, Malines United moved 8 points clear of the relegation zone following a come-from-behind 2-1 win over Limehall Academy. Corey Hilton gave the relegation-bound Limehall a 55th minute lead, but Malines United immediately got a chance to pull level, but Jeremy Nelson could not take the advantage. But the disappointment did not last long as Shamara Dennis pulled Malines back in the 75th minute. And then Nelson made amends 5 minutes into stoppage time as Malines grabbed the vital win.
First half, we were not settled. I thought we were a bit indisciplined all over the place. We got some chances in the first half. We didn't capitalize on them. We went down, but we came back, and I must commend the team.
And it took just a goal to separate Arnett Gardens and Vere United at the Wembley Field. Roderick Granville ended the contest from as early as the 23rd minute to give Arnett maximum points.
We have never really won down here, and a lot of teams have trouble when they come down here. And we know it wasn't going to be easy. The conditions, the wind, the surface, all of those things we have to take into consideration.
On Sunday, 4th place Portmore United and 10th place Montego Bay United eked out a 1-1 draw at Ferdinita Park. And Tivoli Gardens fired 5 unanswered goals past Treasure Beach at Stents. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.